This is just another cook. In today's video we will be making a fresh summer bruschetta. We're gonna start with 1 pack of sweet vine tomatoes, washed and sliced in half. One fresh chili pepper, sliced. Three basil leaves, finely chopped. And 2 medium-sized soft mozzarella cheese. We're gonna season with some black pepper, some salt, and an extra virgin olive oil. Mix everything together. Now we're gonna toast 1 piece of your favorite bread. Drizzle with some olive oil and season with some pepper and some salt. We're gonna garnish the bread with the mixture. Make sure you have a little bit of everything. We're gonna finish with some black pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. Enjoy.